Hi everyone, Igor from Vinous Reverie, the shop for the adventurous wine drinker, and I'm giving a little overview of the March Wine Club selection. So we have both here for the Adventurous Club and for the High Society Club. So the Adventurous Club is dominated by Italy this month. We're all over the place. Italy is a fun place in terms of variety. They have the most indigenous grapes of any wine growing country. And I think this club is going to showcase it. So we're going to start with the white. An excellent one from Veneto region. So it's based on a Garganega grape with a little bit of Chardonnay and Sauvignon Blanc. The Anselmi blend, it comes from volcanic soils. And so it's got a nice grip to this. There's a lot of green and yellow fruits. And it's aged on lees, which is dead yeast cells. So it gives a little creaminess to it. So you got a little bit of Chardonnay and the lees, so it gives it a little fuller style of a wine. So it's an excellent wine for the club. Then the second wine is another great wine. It's from Tenuta de Castellare, right from the Lipari Islands, which is on the north coast of Sicily. The islands are mostly known for their spectacular dessert wines, their pasito style wines. But this is a dry wine. Once again, on volcanic soils. The islands are volcanic, so it's all volcanic soils. And I've noticed that just consistently wines that come from volcanic soils, whether it's Mount Etna in Sicily or Canary Islands, or even something local here in Napa like Mount Veeder, the wines are just more exciting consistently. They have a particular grip that other soils, I think, don't showcase. So this is a great blend. Mostly Caricante with a little bit of Moscato. So dry wine, big citrus backbone dominates this particular style. All right, then we have from Fattoria Le Pupil on the Tuscan coast. This comes from a tiny appellation, Marolina di Scansano. And this winery actually put the appellation on the map. So this is considered technically like a super Tuscan, which is Sangiovese blended with international varieties. And international varieties are defined like Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, Syrah, something that's used by a lot of countries. So that's kind of like technical term. So yeah, this is a nice super Tuscan. The family is actually known for making Le Saffredi, which is their most famous wine and considered one probably of the top 5 most famous super Tuscans. But this one, I think it's a great introduction to the style. So it's a Sangiovese based wine. And finally from Tiberio, a great producer from the Abruzzo region. A region not known for spectacular wines, but Tiberio is one of these, once again, pioneering producers that are kind of going back to the roots, trying to showcase the grapes of the region, going to organic wine growing, to show that healthy vines could lead to great wines. And a highly acclaimed wine, 92 points from Vinous Media, and New York Times recently had a lot of praise to say about them too. So pretty exciting wines for the Adventurous Club. Now a quick overview for the High Society Club. Once again, we got Italian from Fonte Bianca, Barbaresco. One of obviously great wines of Italy, based on the Nebbiolo grape. This is an up-and-coming winery, and they're making excellent Barbaresco. So this is their entry-level Barbaresco, but it's a great Nebbiolo nonetheless. And finally, the one non-Italian wine from the Trefford winery in Stellenbosch in South Africa. South Africa is making high quality wines right now. And they're trying to get a standing in the wine world. South African wines there are great values because the marketplace is not appreciating them yet. But I think if they taste wines like this Syrah, they would. So once again, great overview of these wines. And remember our motto: drink different. Thank you.